everyone, it's Renee with the DIY Day, and today I'm going to share with you how to make these Pom Pom Paperclips. So let me go over the supplies that are needed and then we'll get started. You're going to need a hot glue gun, a fork, a paperclip, scissors, as well as yarn. And I will be using I Love This yarn. I got it from Hobby Lobby and the color is turquoise. The first thing you're going to do is cut a 6-inch piece of yarn. And then you're going to take the yarn and place it right in the middle of the tines of your fork. From here, we're going to keep this portion to the side of the fork, and then we're going to take more yarn and we're going to wrap it around the tines of the fork. So here's my starting yarn, and then I'm just going to wrap it around the fork approximately 35 times. And then we're going to cut the yarn. And then with this yarn down here, we're going to tie a knot. So I'm going to bring the back portion of the yarn to the front and tie a knot. And be sure to tie it tightly. So here's what your fork should look like currently. And then we're going to remove the bundle off the fork. So this is what it looks like, and what we're going to do next is there's all these loops on the left side as well as the right side of this bundle, and what we're going to do is cut those loops in half. So what I like to do is I like to hold the tail end of the pom-pom, and then what we're going to do now is trim this . So once the pom-pom is trimmed, what you're going to do is you're going to take your paper clip, and with the tails of the pom-pom, you're just going to tie a knot around the paper clip, the top portion of the paper clip. And then you're going to take your hot glue and glue it in place. So once it dries, go ahead and take your scissors and cut the tail to the size of the pom-pom. And there you go, paperclip pom-pom. Let me grab my notebook, and then I could use that to hold papers or just as a bookmark. Thank you so much for following along on my paperclip pom-pom tutorial. If you like what you've seen, please like and subscribe below. And for more craft ideas, please visit my blog at thediyday.com. Thank you.